All right, it's time to cut these out. Let's see what we can do. Hopefully I don't strike that gas line. I don't think I will though. Kind of got it out of the way. Plug it in, yeah. Hello. This is why I can't have anything nice. That's what happens when you're a klutz.
You klutz.
One panel. Hey, I didn't cut through the brake lines or anything like that. That's cool. That's good on you, man.
Hi, that's incredible.
Good on you, mate.
What do you think that is? Probably about 7/16.
That is possible.
Yeah, I don't think we'll be getting that pan off of the front there. It's, it's tied in so much over there that, I'm going to have to, we're going to have to make some patch panels for that floor. That sucks. Because there's no way I'm going to be able to get that out without seriously screwing it up anyway, so not even worth the hassle. We got one piece. I'm happy. Let's get the other ones. And then do some fun stuff with that engine, because then we'll virtually be almost done with this thing. Then we can start actually working on the green one. The Cobra! Huh, still recording. How about that? That's funny. We can see it? Okay. Yeah, I think I did break my camera. And there you went again.
Son of a bitch!
Well, there you go, guys. If you saw me or not. If not, I'll just edit it out. Like I said, we're not going to get anything down over there. Trying to cut all that stuff out, it's... I don't know. I got to cut underneath that. The subframe comes there. So it's not really gonna, I'd be taking a guess, but I'd still have to patch in between that because it's rotted in between that on the green one. Well, this will do it for this one. Cutting out some floor pans. We'll have videos of those going in the green one and make a video on this engine and see what this engine can do, if anything. Probably nothing, but... And then we gotta mess around with this piece here and find out what we need off of the green one. That's really the only thing that sucks, is because now I gotta go over to the green one and I gotta take that T-top off just so I can see how much is rotted over here, so I can get what I need off of it, so we can get this damn thing out of here. But I think we'll do something a little bit more fun. I think we'll start working on that engine. We'll start ripping it apart. Alright, fun, dropped you a couple times, broke you, but hey, it's all fun. Subscribe, like, and share.